Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the wireless adapter and gathering the router SSID and WPA2 password. This saves back and forth. Once done, open Control Panel and click Network and Sharing Center so you can see available networks. Make sure you use an account with administrator rights if Windows prompts you. That avoids permission roadblocks. You're taking action immediately, no waiting for scans, and preparing Windows so the next steps proceed smoothly and securely. Now choose your SSID from the list and click Connect. Windows uses WPA2 by default when available, which is why you enter that passphrase next. Type the password exactly, including uppercase letters and special characters, because wireless authentication is exact. Then click OK and let Windows obtain an IP address. If prompted about network location, pick Home or Work for trusted sharing, otherwise pick Public to limit visibility. This configures both connection and trust level, so services behave as expected. Finish by confirming the signal icon and Network and Sharing Center read connected. Then open a browser to test internet access, because a link can be local without routing outward. If you cannot browse, run Windows Network Diagnostics to get a quick diagnosis and follow its suggestions. Make sure to restart the wireless adapter or router if diagnostics fail, and use ipconfig/renew in command prompt as a manual DHCP refresh. This often clears IP conflicts and restores access without deeper intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.